Hello readers, welcome to my YouTube channel Fictional World. Welcome to English romantic novel That Is My Love, episode number 6, written by Aksa. So let's start guys. Huram held Ira's hand and bowed her to a corridor on one side. Take your life. Don't eat my head now. Huram bowed Ira to a deserted place and pushed her toward the Daryab. The Daryab immediately took Ira in its arms. Oh, that's why you brought me here. She was angry at the joint efforts of both siblings. Ira started trying to free herself from the arms of the Daryab. Don't be too dramatic. Make my brother happy. Saying this, she grabbed her heavy suit and ran away quickly. Otherwise, Ira would have pulled her hair. Puram was running carelessly. The man was busy with his mobile phone in his room. Due to carelessness, both of them collided. Both of them were falling when Zaman, while holding himself, also held Hurum's waist and saved her from falling. Hurum tightly grabbed Zaman's arm. Zaman put his hand on her waist and held her. Hurum felt strangely pressed against his chest. A strange wave ran through her whole being. How protective was the hold of his strong arm. Open your eyes and run. Zaman removed his hand and straightened her. I had opened my eyes, but I don't know where you come from. Okay, it's my fault. Now you will bother to leave me. When Zaman spoke angrily, she realized how long she had been standing near him. I have no interest in holding you. I was just looking at the design of your shawl. I was thinking I should take such a shawl for the Daryab. Embarrassed, what should she have done? She looked at his shawl and said, showing even more stupidity, go away, I will give you the shawl for some reason. Huram heartbeat in a strange way when she saw the man. Daryab forcibly took Ira in the corner of the hotel. Seeing you, I am really going crazy. What are you saying? Get married? He took her on one side and stood. He put his hand on her waist and pulled her close to him. Very funny. Ira was looking at him with angry eyes. Now don't look like that. Look at her with the little love, like the girls on the side were looking at her. Okay, go to these girls. Then why did you come to me? She started to get angry and walked away. I will only come to the girl who has stolen my heart, the one I love immensely. Her beautiful expression would drive away all of Ira's anger. Drea pulled Ira's waist and held her close to him. My heart is getting very bad after seeing you. My intentions are getting bad. He leaned over her cheeks and said happily, and kissed her cheeks with great sincerity. I am not Ashwin to be rude. Let's go now. It is too late. I don't feel like leaving you. Come on, let's go. The guy was walking in his own mind, seeing the person standing in front of him. His forehead was covered with brushes. Indeed, she looked beautiful wearing a sari, but he was the Rab, on whom no woman's magic could work, except Ira. Vishal looked at her with lustful eyes. How come, the Rab, you did not even answer my call and message? Looking at her with her dirty eyes, Vishal thought of her as the worst woman in the world. At the same time, he felt sad for the fate of a servant like Zaman Shah. Allah chose a good wife for a good husband. So how could this bad woman be for Zaman? Darab started feeling sad after thinking about it. You did not answer. Isha shook her hair and showed off her beauty. I am not obligated to answer you, he said angrily. Well, then who are you obligated to, Ira? He stopped as he was leaving. What do you mean? I mean whatever you think. You and Ira were doing together in this corner. It's our personal matter. It has nothing to do with you. She cannot understand someone like you. You are not even worthy of being overshadowed by a human being. I feel sorry for Zaman's fate. Darya with Surat Vishal. Well, think of poor Zaman Shah if I put this video on social media and showed it to Zaman. What respect will Ira have in front of her brother? Vishal had recorded a video of Darya and Ira. What do you want? Darya understood that she wanted to fulfill one of her demands with him. That's why he asked with patience at that time. Just one night with you. Vishal come forward and ran his fingers on her arms maliciously. There was a different lust in his eyes. What? He thought she was bad, but he did not believe that she would have fallen so low. I like handsome men very much, and there is something different about you. I am obsessed with getting you. Grab could not believe that a woman could fall so low. You are married someone's honor. You are the blood of the innocent family. He had been such a woman for the first time in his life. Why do you men have a certificate to have an affair with every woman and have a relationship with them? Why is a woman not free to have a relationship with anyone whenever she wants? Are not you Ashman? You are a Muslim woman and the life of a noble man. Why are you not Ashman to be a pious person by having an affair with a girl? She is my pure love, he said angrily. Consider my desire pure too. She smiled weakly at him. I don't even like you looking at you. Darya was about to leave saying that Vishal said, then it's okay. I will show this video to the world. Darya was about to snatch the mobile from her. He was taking the mobile from her hand when Zaman came from above. Zaman got angry saying them both like this. Vishal starting acting fake. Zaman, save me, this boy is trying to rape me. Zaman, please save me. Vishal starting acting fake. Dayab remained silent in his face after seeing the action of her. Zaman immediately headed towards the Dayab, but Hurav appeared in the middle. Show me your hand, I will break your hand. Whoever will raise it against my brother. Your brother has tried to rape me, Vishal shouted. A bad-natured woman like you, who presents herself in front of everyone. My brother does not even like to see her, let alone touch her. Girl, control your tongue. You cannot make such a base accusation against my daughter. Auntie suddenly spoke. Your daughter, who is accusing my brother of this? The one they are lying. Both the siblings are lying. Do not believe that. what they say. He tried to force me. I saw Rayab and Ira doing wrong thing in the corner there and I made a video. So he tried to punish me. This is in the phone. Oh, the video. The man watched it. The man immediately started checking the phone. Then the Rayab and Ira complexion turned pale. The man checked the phone. He saw their video. Then he slammed the mobile against the wall with force. He looked at the Rayab with rainy eyes. The man took Ira and started to leave from the forcibly, causing the Rayab to grow into a seed. The man said, "Please listen to me. You can't take Ira away like this. We both love each other. My sister does not love a ruthless person like you. Ira tell him that you don't love him." Ira one side look at her brother and one side look at love. Ira tell him, mother scolded Ira. Swear to me that you don't love him. I don't love you, I don't trust you, Ira said and ran away and got into the car. Everyone come home. The Rayab broke down in an instant. Huram tried hard to hold the Rayab, but Ira's words kept ringing in the Rayab's ears. The Rayab left everyone and went out of country for study. Ira had locked herself in the room. Vishal Clear was at its peak again. Vishal ran away from home at the night with the lover. In the morning, when the whole family found out that Vishal had run away, she ran away with her business partner, who was Huram's father. He was a handsome man, and Vishal, who had always been obsessed with beauty, ran away with him. Vishal's true nature was revealed in front of everyone. Ira was very heartbroken. She had always believed in her Rayab. But what was the use now? The man was in a panic. The man went to their house and searched him there, but he was nowhere to be found. When he saw Huram, there he forcibly dragged Huram with him. Margie was shocked when she saw Huram with the man. Mother, Vishal had run away with her father. Now I will tell her father what is honor. What does it mean to destroy the honor of someone's house? Now I will tell her father. Everyone had been seeing the man so angry before. He was always a kind-hearted person. He had a soft heart. Motherji was very sad about her son's condition. Mother also felt sorry for this girl. What is the fault of this innocent girl? Mother made a decision. Zaman, it is okay for you to marry Huram, but mother, I will not marry her. I will keep her with me without marriage. I will tell her father what is the honor of one's house. No, son, you will not sin. You have to teach her father a lesson, right? So you will teach him by oppressing him. When her father sees his daughter in this condition, he will know what is the honor of one's house. How it hurts when he saw someone in pain. Zaman and Huram got married from that day on. Zaman tried hard to oppress Huram, but his conscience did not spot him. He always stopped after looking into her eyes. After that day, he hated women. He never trusted any woman. Huram continued to be the victim of his hearted, but slowly Huram's patience made a place of her in Zaman's heart. Huram started loving Zaman, but Zaman, despite knowing her feelings, remained a stranger. Ira also remarked, looked in a room. Vishal was in her own luxuries, causing a storm in all other lives. Now, Huram started to go to the room when mother stopped Huram path. Huram, come here and listen to me. May Allah protect me. What big mistake have I made? Please Allah, please. Huram kept repeating this in her mouth. Huram, today I have started to explain something to you. I am sure you will understand to me. Huram, look, Zaman is a man, and a man has some desires. And if you do not fulfill them, he will rebel against you very soon. I want you to fulfill his every desire. Do you understand what desire I am talking about? Huram's eyes narrowed in shame. I know you are very intelligent and must have understood what I said. Go to the room. Zaman will be waiting. You have to make my son happy. Okay? I will ask you in the morning. Huram ran out of shame and left the room. She also remembered Zaman's word in the morning. Huram's legs started shaking. She started to get scared to go into the room. She stood outside the room, her hands were trembling to open the door. Zaman opened the door from inside, pulled her by the arm, bowed her into the room, and locked the door. How long I have been waiting for you, and now you are coming. Where were you? What was Madam doing? She should not have said anything, too. Huram, I want you, mother, please. Well, you were with her. So mother told her some ways to happy her husband. No. Go on sleep. I am very sleepy. From his movement, he was guessing what mother would have told him. But I am not sleepy at all. Rather, I am in the mood to do something else. Today I will not let you sleep either. We will both stay up all night. Zaman, what are you saying? What happened? I am very sleepy. There is no sleep in you. Today I will not let you sleep at all. Today I will tell you how much madness Zaman Shah has, how much intensity he has for you. Now go and change quickly. You will not comfortable in this cloth. But Zaman, shall I get change? Come on, it's okay. No, I'll do it. Zaman controlled his laugh at Huram's style. Huram had been gone from a long time, but she did not come out. She stood by the door. She was daring to go out. She was very shy about how she could go out. Zaman knocked on the washroom door. Huram, are you coming out or should I come in? No, Zaman, I am coming in. Huram immediately came out in a panic and could not look away. The man held her and made her sit on the bed. He also sat down with her. This color looks very good on you. The man picked up Huram and made her sit on his legs. Huram spontaneously placed her head on Zaman's shoulders and hid her face. Do you allow me, Huram, to make you mine? Can I assess your soul through your body today? Zaman bending close to her ear and asking for permission made Huram breathe quicken. Her heart starts beating fast. While Zaman was still waiting for her answer. Huram looked up and looked at Zaman's face and nodded yes and hugged him. Zaman is overwhelmed was Huram constant and tightened his grip on her waist and held her to his chest. For a long time, both of them listened to each other's rapid heartbeat in each other's arms. Then Zaman gently separates Huram's hand from his chest and says, "Now give me a chance to show my love and my intensity." Zaman kisses Huram's eyes one by one. His tongue gaze had been wandering for a long time and was going to Huram's lips. Zaman, unable to control himself any longer, put his hand on Huram's neck and pulled her close to him, tapping her breast. Zaman gently breathed in Huram's breath. He was running one on his hand over her waist. Huram's breathing had quickly. Zaman had intensified his action. Zaman was intensely quenching his thirst with each in and out breath of Huram. Huram's breathing was about to stop. She placed her hand on Zaman's waist and began to endure his increasing intensity. Zaman, seeing her halting breaths, retreated. Both of them began to breathe deeply. Zaman, Huram take a deep breath and call out to her. Yes, Zaman wrapped his arm around her waist and said with great affection. Zaman, she did not understand Huram how she could speak her mind. Zaman had understood what Huram was trying to say. As angry as I am equally gentle with you. So don't worry. I will not let you feel any pain. You trust me, right? Huram nodded her head, yes. The man pulled Huram's shirt down from her shoulder and placed his lips there, taking in her scent. Taking a deep breath. Huram was starting to get a little nervous. The man now placed his lips on her neck, while his hands were moving from top to bottom on Huram's bare waist, which made Huram's soft sobs echo in the room. The man removed Huram's shirt from her body and laid her on the bed. I am afraid of Zaman's silence. Huram will speak her mind. Don't worry, Zaman explained to Huram. He placed his lips on her forehead, to which Huram just nods her head yes. Zaman now see her beautiful body, which is in a modest red veil. At Zaman's gaze, Huram blushes with shame. Huram hides her chest in her arms. Zaman smiles spontaneously at Huram's action. Turn off the light first, Huram says, hiding in her chest when Zaman smiles. Okay, I have turned off the light when you leave me. Zaman controls his laugh, saying Huram condition. Huram stepped back a little. Zaman gets up a little and dim the room light with the remote. Zaman removed his shirt from his body. Okay, now Zaman says, touching Huram's neck with his lips, sinking his teeth into her beauty bone. Huram looks at him with anger eyes. Bear with it a little, my dear. Now think about your husband too. Zaman lowered his lips from Huram's neck and placed them on the delicate folds of her veil. Then he lifts her up, opens her back, frees her from this modest veil. Saying Huram beauty, Zaman's heart was about to break her ribs and come out. What could be more beautiful than this? Huram thinks in his heart. Now he places his lips on the back of her neck and kisses her intensely. He comes down and places his lips between her waist and kisses her. Huram feels the pillow in his fist. Zaman's lips roam over her waist with evil truth. When Zaman straightens Huram with the jack, he sees her soft eyes. He pulls them into both his hands and releases them. He makes marks of his teeth on her chest. Zaman's hands were rubbing Huram's thighs, while Huram's trousers were down. Zaman's breathing started to speed up. Zaman pulled the comforter and put it on both of them. Huram touched Zaman's chest with moisture in his eyes. Yes, speak, my dear. Zaman kisses the hair of her head, where Huram takes a long breath from her chest. Zaman eases Huram back and in a short time normalizes her breathing. He places Huram's hand on the pillow and entangles the fingers of his hand in Huram's fingers. Then he descends into Huram's soul in peace. Huram rubs her eyes tightly in fear and endures this sweet pain. Huram, are you okay? When Zaman rubs her eyes, Zaman asks her, kissing her closed eyes, to which Huram only nods his head in yes. Zaman bent down, captured her lips in his own, and began his intensity. Huram's soul remains suppressed in her lips. With time, Zaman's intensity increased while Huram was enduring it. How long did Zaman return his intensity to her? Huram lay down with her head on his chest. Huram, losing his intensity, touches his chest. He rubs his eyes. Zaman was sleeping with Huram in his tight embrace. He opened his eyes to the rays of the sun coming through the window. He put his hand on his eyes and tightens. Huram even more in his arm. Huram opened her eyes wide from her sleep at Zaman's harshness and looked at him. In this is this the same person who used to get so angry, and today he has soaked me in the rain of his love for me all night. Good morning, Zaman. Good morning, my dear. How was your sleep? Zaman brushes her hair to the side from her beautiful face and kisses her cheek. When did you sleep? I was still sleepy. Huram hides in his chest and says, getting angry. Zaman only suppresses his smile at her words. Why did not I let her sleep? Zaman says and put his hand on Huram's waist. By the way, when you say my name, I start to get carried away. Now that you have said my name with these beautiful lips, then it is a reward. Zaman captured her lips in his and started to thrust his passion at her. Zaman, I am tired. Now finally Zaman felt sorry for her condition and left her and stood up. Huram, saying Zaman neck, chest, put a blanket on her face in shame. Zaman is wearing a shirt. Zaman standing near the closest cupboard. Huram, bring my shirt. Give me back my shirt. Huram looks at herself who is in Zaman's shirt and take the blanket on her face in shame. You are very shameless. You are very shameless. Zaman and Huram freshen up and come down the stairs. Huram's face had a strange glow. Mother, when she sees Huram, she is happy from the heart. It means that Huram has been affected by her words. Huram looked very beautiful today. Ira was also surprised to see Huram. What is the matter? You look even more beautiful today. She is very radiant today. She teases Huram. Nothing happened. Huram's cheeks were turning red with shame. Whoa, whoa. It seems as today brother has won the match. Shut up, you naughty one. I'll tell you. Come upstairs with me in the room. Then I'll tell you. Mom was just happy to see Huram again and again. Continue. So how did you like today's episode? If you like the video novel, then like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Your support is very important for us.